Let's walk through the process of installing new, functional exterior window shutters. Installation of operable exterior shutters requires the listed items. Additional resources may be needed. Temporarily hold the shutters in the window opening where they will be installed, with shims between all edges. The bottom rail is larger than the top, and the louvers will slant down and away from the window. Assess and confirm the fit and placement of the hinges and pintle. Use pieces of painter's tape to mark each hinge location. Remove the shutters and place horizontally on a table or sawhorses, with the side that was facing out now facing up. Position each hinge on the outside corner of the shutter, centered on the top and bottom rails. Mark the screw locations, then fasten in place through all holes. We are installing using cast iron New York L-shaped hinges and pintle with a plate mount. Return the shutters to the window with the shims in place. Seat each pintle into position and secure a screw through the lower hole and tighten. Repeat on all four corners. Carefully swing the shutters partially open and lift off the pintles, making sure not to alter their alignment. Fasten the remaining pintle screws. Return the shutters to the window for the final time, extended wide to the side of the opening. Identify the best shutter dog mounting point about a quarter of the width of the shutter from the outside edge of the panel and about 1.5 inches below the bottom. Pre-drill a hole to accommodate the shutter dog mounting bolt. Tighten the bolt just enough so the back of the shutter dog meets the shutter face in a full open position. These lag-mounted iron scroll shutter dogs will secure the shutters against the siding. Repeat the process for the opposite side shutter and stand back to admire your work. Visit us at shutterland.com for more information.